All right, so I'm working on a buddy of mine's Articat 500. It's a 2004. Doing an oil change. He had some fuel leaking through the petcock down through the cylinder and into the oil. So what we were doing here is using this nice little SPX Flow gear pump for the oil change kit. I actually removed it from the bucket that it was on. Comes with some nice tubes. Fits right into the oil fill where the dipstick goes in. Has an inline fuse and hooks right into the battery. And I've got it so it'll drain into an old oil container here. So I'm going to go ahead and put the negative on. You can hear it running. And what it's doing is pumping all the oil and some of the fuel that's in there. Because again, it was leaking fuel down into the cylinder. Getting all that out, all from the top side where the dipstick goes in. And then every once in a while, just keep adjusting it, trying to get lower and lower into the oil pan. Pump's pretty quiet, works off 12 volts, right off the battery from the back of the machine. Sucking a little bit of air, so that just means it needs some adjustment. But again, a great way to get through the top so you don't have to get underneath. You can get a bulk of the oil out here and then just get a little bit of the end from the lowest point of the sump. So I just figured I'd share with everybody. Johnson pump, SPX Flow, gear pump with oil change kit, 12 volts. As you can see, pretty nasty oil and fuel mix.